Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my last video for Craspires.com. All the links to everything will be in my description box down below. Their website, these awesome product links, and YouTube program link. So what I'm doing today is showing you project share where I used these washi tapes and these awesome pins that Craspire sent me. So the first card that I made, I used these two washi tapes and this die that I had, and this is what I made. As anyone that's watched my channel for a while knows, I am not a professional card maker. I'm just learning like everyone else. And the next thing I used was these stamps that I got from somewhere. And this washi tape. And I made this card. And I used this. Look how shiny it makes it. And I think I used the gold, and then I used this one to color in the butterfly, and then I used the washi tape, and it's this type card, and I didn't decorate the inside yet. And the last card that I made, I used this washi tape, and I used this stamp that a friend of mine sent me a long time ago, some of these words, and I used this tape that I got at Dollar Tree to make it higher. Thinking of you, best wishes, have a great day. And I didn't do anything on the inside. So that is my project share using Craspire's beautiful washi tape and these awesome pins, and they really are awesome. Thank you, Craspire. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Blessed be y'all. Bye.